Ah yes, ichibat. I'm Claire, and this is my best friend Justin. We are currently on a mission to see as much of Thailand as we can in only a week and a half. So even though we only had one day in Bangkok, it's already time to catch a flight to Suratani Airport and grab a taxi to Khao Sok. But first, breakfast. We have sweet and sour chicken, garlic fried rice, and a egg and bacon waffle. Meanwhile, Justin's having a real breakfast. We're running a little bit behind going to the airport. It's a local flight, so hopefully 1 hour at the airport's gonna be enough. There are no functioning seatbelts in this car. Thai Air? Thai Lion Air? Domestic flights don't include a checked bag. But to pay for your checked bag, you have to go to door number 14. So we have to go all the way across the airport to pay for our checked bags. This is a ridiculous system. Ridiculous. We're on time. Both of us carry a ton of camera gear when we travel, and I have a drone on me, and I have never been through so many security lines without getting extra screening in my life. So it's been kind of nice to actually just walk through security and not have to do a whole song and dance about my equipment. The extra precautions that we're taking because of the coronavirus have mostly involved wiping down all of our equipment with Lysol wipes at least twice a day. Whenever I handle anything that I know has been handled by a lot of people, I do extra wiping on everything. In those circumstances too. We've been going through a little mini hand sanitizer bottle every day, hand sanitizing all the time. Ignoring my face and not touching it has actually been going pretty well for me. I thought it would be harder, but since I'm here and the motivation is pretty serious, it's been fairly easy for me. Another precaution that we're taking is that in general, we're really careful about where we put our bags down, and we wipe down everywhere that we're gonna be. Oh look, it's Tina and Matt. So check that out. Look at this. I'm not trying to be a germaphobe, but like that's actually kind of disgusting. Yay. Ew, gross. The interesting thing that I've noticed is that maybe 10 to 20% of people are wearing masks, and a lot of them are wearing them incorrectly. Some people are only wearing them over their mouth and not their nose. Some people are just pulling down the mask and like rubbing their faces, which sort of defeats the purpose of the mask. A lot of them pull it down and wear it around their chin, walking around with it just half off. We have masks with us, but I feel more comfortable just being really careful about what I touch. Our flight today is going to be an hour long. It's Thai Lion Air. It only cost about 20 bucks.
So in Suratani, there's two options. We can get a public shuttle, where you basically share the shuttle with other people.
Okay.
And I think that's around 300 baht.
Okay.
Or you could just get a private taxi or private transfer, and I think that should be around 1,800 baht.
It cuts down on the travel time a lot because the shuttle has lots of stops. So doesn't it almost double the length of the trip?
Yeah, I think that's part of the reason why it's worth it.
We have so much leg room and so much space.
And cover mask over your nose and mouth.
This is a sweet little airport. It's kind of tiny. They had an airport employee who approached us right as we got out and offered to arrange the taxi for us. It was the exact price that we had read online. It was really easy to set up. Do you hear the bugs and the birds chirping? Look at this place. Here is our hotel. This place is such a little treasure. We were hoping to go tubing today, but tubing is not in season right now. So we're gonna sit and wait for our room to be ready and decide on a plan for how we're gonna spend this day. Because we don't actually have a plan. Oh, there's a little swimming pool. This place is actually paradise. Our room is ready. Let's do a cabin tour. We have 2 beds. Room for 3 to sleep if you wanted. There is no AC, but there is a fan. And a little shower. We have a back door that goes to a little porch. I love it. $19 a night?
Yeah, for both of us.
Nice. So pretty. This place is laid out so beautifully. There's cabins everywhere, but there's enough vegetation and forest in between each one that it feels so private and cozy. We're just checking out the river now. This is where we were hoping to go tubing, but the water levels are too low. So going to grab some food now with Tina and Matt, and then we're gonna spend the day chilling by the river and by the pool.
So unlike us.
It's very, very unlike us.
Might be nice.
Yeah.
Change it up a little bit, but
So what is this rest that you speak of? I don't understand. Rest. We're gonna be eating at Pon's restaurant. Justin found this place online. They have mango sticky rice here, so I think we're gonna try mango sticky rice for the first time. I would be perfectly happy eating pad thai every day until I die.
Hi, Kitty. Hi, Kitty.
Oh my god. There are 2 clocks in this place. They disagree with one another. So we have pad thai and we have pad cha. It's less sweet, but it's really good.
it's really good.
This is the pad cha. It has like ginger and lemongrass. The lemongrass is really interesting. This is
Looks delicious.
pineapple fried rice. How great is that? That is beautiful. Really nice subtle flavor. It's delicious. This is our mango sticky rice. I've never tried it before. Justin's never tried it before.
It's the best stuff ever.
So I'm guessing you grab a little mango and a little rice. It's warm.
Yeah. Is it too sweet for you, or is it
It's
okay?
like rice pudding with mango.
Huh.
It's delicious.
All right. I think she approves.
Good?
When they said mango sticky rice, I don't know what I was expecting, but this is so delicious. And it has that little bit of condensed milk that you can taste. It's good. All right, we had our lunch and now we're gonna go exploring this little river. I got these swim shoes off of Amazon. They were only $9 and they're super cozy and comfortable. We were told that the water is too low for tubing, but they get to go kayaking. I wanna do that.
They're funky.
Monkey? Aren't you adorable? Look at you, beautiful little monkey. Hello. I want to do this. Who do I have to pay? I want to do this.
Body kayak.
Oh my god, it's a baby monkey. It's a baby monkey. It's a baby monkey. It's a baby monkey. Hello. Hi, beautiful baby. You're so gorgeous. Look at you go. You have no boundaries. You're kind of bold. Are you feeling okay? So it's a little slippery, but it's not so bad. I have a lot of equipment in my backpack, so I really need to not slip and fall. All right, I'm almost to the little island that I wanted to get to. Okay, I just finished my first flight in Thailand with the Mavic Mini. It is 249 grams and the weight does not impact whether or not you need certification to fly this drone. Because it has a camera on it, you have to have all kinds of certifications, which I will put in the description below. All in all, the process to get all of the paperwork to be able to fly this took me over a month. Flying a drone in Thailand is not a casual endeavor. There's still a lot of rules that you need to follow when you fly, but I'm so excited to fly this little bugger. Hopefully this one doesn't go off a cliff. Watching the monkeys is like a reality TV show. They're so cute. Oh, that was a good job. Well, that's a monkey acting exactly like a monkey's supposed to. Aww. You got a nice booty. An entire monkey army is trying to cross the river right now, and it is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Ah, yes, itchy butt. Oh, baby, no! Good job, you did it! I'm in heaven. Oh, do they have metal straws? That's wonderful. We are at the little bar by our hotel. have some Thai tea. This doesn't have any milk in it, so we'll see. It's a little bitter apparently.
Just a hair.
No, I really like it. I'd like it better with milk, but I really like it. Justin's gonna regret this later.
It's like a mango pina colada.
Nice.
Yeah, they would have glossy hair.
If you just don't want to finish that at some point, I'll be happy to finish it for you. The sunset is absolutely beautiful. We're just relaxing. I'm backing up videos and getting some work done, and so we're just gonna have a really relaxing rest of the day. This is dinner. You look so extra right now. This just looks so weird. I feel like a little kid in here. I kind of like it. It's like having my own little clubhouse.